Welcome to Miles to Wellness. In today's session, we'll guide you through a simple stretching routine for beginners. These stretches will help improve flexibility, release tension, and promote relaxation. No special equipment needed, just find a comfortable space and let's begin. 1. Neck stretch. Stand or sit comfortably. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Hold this stretch for a few deep breaths, then switch sides. This releases tension in the neck and shoulders. 2. Shoulder stretch. Bring your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to gently press the arm closer. Feel the stretch in your shoulder. Hold for a few deep breaths, then switch sides. 3. Side stretch. Raise your right arm overhead and gently lean to the left. Keep your feet grounded and feel the stretch along your side. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. 4. Cat-cow stretch. Come on to all fours. Inhale, arch your back, lift your head, this is cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, this is cat pose. Repeat slowly, synchronizing with your breath. 5. Seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale deeply, then exhale as you reach toward your toes. Keep your back straight and relax into the stretch. 6. Butterfly stretch. Sit with your feet together, knees bent outward. Hold your feet and gently press your knees toward the ground. Keep your back straight and breathe deeply. 7. Hip flexor stretch. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Keep your back leg extended and feel the stretch in your hip. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. 8. Hamstring stretch. Stand with one foot slightly in front of the other. Hinge at your hips and reach toward your front foot. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Hold, then switch sides. 9. Child's pose. Come to a kneeling position and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply, relaxing your body completely. Slowly bring yourself back to a seated position. Take a deep breath in and exhale. You've just completed a gentle full body stretch. Repeat this routine daily to improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wellness content. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay flexible.